Hey, you're watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have the last video about Oukitel K7 Power. We already made unboxing, performance test and battery test. You can watch all of these videos by the links in description. Now we have to talk about camera. Guys, if you're interested in tech reviews, subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. We upload new videos every day. Oukitel K7 Power is equipped with a dual rear camera. It consists of 13-megapixel main sensor Sony IMX214 and 2-megapixel secondary sensor for bokeh effect. The front camera has another 5-megapixel sensor. If we talk about camera app, it has different modes such as video, photo, beauty, SLR and panorama. As you understand, on this smartphone the portrait mode or bokeh effect is called SLR. In addition, there is flashlight, HDR mode and filters on the top. In settings menu we can see standard options, for example picture size, location info, camera sound, touch shutter and other photo settings, as well as video quality and microphone. As usual, let's start with daylight photos. Oukitel K7 Power is a budget smartphone with price tag about $99. However, you can take pretty good images in good light conditions. The photos have good detail. If you process images in special photo editors or just Instagram editor, add brightness and saturation, you will get quite good pictures. As for the bokeh effect, or SLR mode on Oukitel K7 Power, it looks like a fake. You have a circle in the center on the screen and you can change the blur level. It looks very bad. The selfie camera is good, but only in good lighting conditions. If we talk about night images, you can make good photos, but you need to try hard. The most important thing is do not move while shooting. It is even better to use tripod. Otherwise, you will have blurry photos. The maximum video recording resolution is Full HD 1080p at 30 fps. The smartphone doesn't have image stabilization, so the video is shaky. It is better not to move when you're shooting a video or use a special phone stabilizer. In general, the video quality is pretty good for $99 smartphone. As for the night video, it is bad. When you move the camera, the video looks like a slow motion. Oukitel K7 Power is ultra-budget smartphone, so it has entry-level camera. However, you can take some really good photos in daylight conditions. Don't forget that the camera is not highlight of this phone. The main feature is 10,000 mAh battery, and it is really amazing for $99 device. It provides about 16 hours of screen on time. In description you can find link to battery test and where to buy Oukitel K7 Power cheaper. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.